Partition of Bengal. Your mind jumps to 1947, doesn't it? Nehru on one side, Jinnah on the other, with riots and burning streets, packed with heartbreak, blood, and beatless bodies. But honestly, the British in a way rehearsed for this 4 decades ago. Their first masterpiece, Bengal 1905, the first partition. Bengal was as large as France at the time, a whopping 1.89 lakh square miles and 7.8 crore miles. Too big for the British stomach to digest. So naturally, they reached for their favorite tool, a knife. Slice here, chop there, and call it good administration. The grand idea split Bengal into two provinces. Eastern Bengal, which is present-day Bangladesh and Assam on one side, and Bihar, parts of Orissa, and the rest on the other side. The story begins in 1903 with H.N. Fraser, Bengal's lieutenant governor and part-time political arsonist. He described Dhaka and Mymensingh as hotbeds of sedition. Translation: too many smart Bengalis, better separate them. Lord Curzon willingly nodded his head, but he wasn't foolish. He knew very well that the Hindus of Bengal wouldn't be happy. But he couldn't afford opposition from the Muslims too. So in 1904, he did what any cunning colonial would. He went shopping for support. He toured Muslim majority districts in Eastern Bengal and in capital to be Dhaka, promised the moon. The Muslims who initially opposed the plan because they feared that the government wanted to turn them into Assamese began to fall for the promises. A new Muslim majority province, economic upliftment, political recognition. However, Bengal wasn't just geography. It was a nerve center of Indian nationalism. The nationalist leaders felt the British's desire to punish Calcutta through this partition plan. And on the big day of October 16th, 1905, Bengal was sliced. The Swadeshi movement caught fire. Bande Mataram turned from poetry to protest. Soon the boycott turned into bombs. The youth took lessons from Europe and Ireland and worshipped the motherland as goddess Kali, demanding blood for freedom. So yes, the takeaway, India's first partition didn't happen in 1947, it happened in 1905. It shaped our politics, our identities, and our suspicions in the 20th century.